Salut, welcome back to the channel. This is Nayely. How you guys doing today? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. So today's video is just a simple video of polygel. I already posted this video on another channel, but I start to come back to polygel on both of my channels, so I wanted to just post it here. I won't be too long, so right now I am just unboxing. It's from Makartt, and I got a coupon code, a 15% off on your purchases using Nayelynailedit. Everything will be down in the description box, so you can check it out. So I am just using today the lazy girl method, and yeah, it will be very easy. I'm gonna let you watch it. I won't be explaining too much because it's going to be redundant, but I wanted to show you how everything comes in this kit, and it is beautiful. I really like the color, the pink, and I absolutely love it, you guys. So yeah, it comes very complete. The tubes are not too big, but there's many of it, so you won't be using everything in just one use. So you got enough to multiple sets, to do multiple sets. So it comes with the dual forms. I don't really use dual form anymore because it is convenient when you start, but at one point you want to build your own nails, so I don't use that anymore. So yeah, I was just showing you gotta make sure you choose your dual form or your nail tips sidewall to sidewall, fitting very nicely. Otherwise your nails will be wonky or pop off. If it's not too fitty, it will pop off. If it's too big, it will pop off, and if it's too big, you can file it to make it adhere to your nails and have it a little bit nice. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going to swatch it, show you the colors. You can see the colors too much because the numbers on the color, I couldn't zoom in, so yeah. I tried my best and you couldn't see it nicely, but anyways, I'll be trying to figure out the name, how to put in the description box, or if you want me to put it on the comment, I will. Some of them couldn't be seen when I finish recording, so anyways, you got a coupon code, everything in the description box, and all the colors. So I'm gonna just let you watch it, and I'll be jumping in and out. I'm using the Lazy Girl method by Femi Beauty. As we already know, it's not very complicated. It was a no set, but I was just deciding to post the video now because I found it again. I was like, why not just put it on this channel so people can see? So that's all I'm doing, just swatching it, and then we'll be starting the set. So once I finish and choose the colors that I like and the nail tips, I was going for the Lazy Girl method, like I said. So I'm just showing you I'll be using the ingredients component of a base coat, top coat. I'm using the peel off base coat because I'll be popping up my nail once I'm finished, because I don't wear long nails. When I finish doing the nails, and I pop them off because I have to take care of my baby, so I don't work with long nails at home, just for the videos and when I go out. But otherwise I like short nails. But anyways, I'm just showing you how I do. I make sure I apply it nicely on my stains because I'll be using the Lazy Girl method. You gotta use it like this, or you can use it if you want to glue it directly. You got to do it within a minute because polygel can be pretty messy. So that's what I'm doing, selecting my tips, making sure I build the nails. And yeah, I'm building the nails inside of the I'm building the polygel inside of the nail, and then after I am done with everything, I'll be gluing it on my nails, applying some base coat, and then gluing it with the UV lamp. So I'm gonna just let you watch it because it's not very complicated, so you're going to see the process. So like I say, once you are done, you make sure you apply some base coat on your nails that is already prepped, and then you cure it for 30 seconds. Then you put or you don't need to, it depends. If you want to do it before you can cure it, then apply a little bit of base coat on top of the nail tip already prepped, then you glue it, or you can just put the base coat, then glue the nails, and then cure it. So that's all I did, and then I'll be ready to be done. So once we are done with the nail set and we are ready for the design, I am just going to glue on some transfer foil and a little bit of glitter. All I'm using is my eye method gel transfer foil. I got that on Amazon, also will be in the description below if you want it. It wasn't very expensive. It was like, I think $6 or $7 with the tax. So yeah, I make sure I apply a thin layer on the nails. I cure it for 60 seconds, then I apply my foils, rub it nicely, then remove it, and then voila, the nail set is ready. Then I will be applying some rhinestones, and to make it pretty and extra as usual, and then we'll be done. Once you are done with everything, you make sure you apply some top coat and cure it nicely. And if you have to wipe any excess etc before curing it so it can be sharp, you do that, and then voila, you're ready to go. Make sure you apply some cuticle oil also to nourish your nails always, and then voila, the result is bomb pretty. I know it's pretty long okay, but it is still pretty. You can still do that into a short nail version. If you want me to do that, you can tell me in the description, in the comment section, and I'll be trying to come up with something. So yeah, this is all I've done, and I really love this kit, you guys. You can check it on Makartt and use my coupon code to have some money off. This is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for being here, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.